Hello and welcome to Talk with YT. In this episode I'll show you how to send USDT by p2p address. Okay, p2p mail. You can send through the mobile number, also p2p mail and UID. You can send USDT. So for that, just I have this is my wallet address, that means export balance I have. Just I have to transfer it from overview to export balance to funding balance. For that, just I will click the transfer, then click the USDT because I have USDT. Then I will send 200. How much I will send, bro? Wait a minute please. 215 dollar I will send USDT. Okay, for the 215, just I have transferred from export balance to funding balance. So here is the funding balance. Then you will click the pay for sending USDT through the p2p. Okay, just skip the tutorial. Just click the send. Here is the email. If you sent already, you will see the recent send you will see. So I'll send my client. That means I'll paste his email address. Just paste the email address, then continue. How much USDT do you want to send? Just click here, and if you don't see the USDT here, just charts here USDT. Okay, USDT, then click the USDT. After that, just 215 I will send, which I have converted, transferred already from export balance to funding balance. Then here is the note. I'll write here my name. Okay, then send, continue button. So before sending, just check $215 USDT. Then note will show, that means details will show Muhammad Tawhidul Alam to Hikaru. Then currency is USDT, and confirm. Here is your password. After that, then complete. Just take a screenshot, then go to your client, just paste him. Okay, go to your client, just paste. Okay, then just I have sent it. Okay, simple. Just take a screenshot. Here is the note I have written, and here is the mail I have sent. Then here is the balance that I have sent from founding wallet. Okay, take a screenshot. Done, and bye. Okay.